These are the best accessories I've been personally using with my iPhone 17 Pro Max. From smart charging accessories and convenient storage solutions to MagSafe accessories with crazy utility. These accessories make your 17 Pro Max experience 10 times better and are genuinely worth your money. So this year, with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple finally introduced the anti-reflective coating for iPhone's display. But as soon as you apply a generic screen protector over it, the anti-reflective coating doesn't work anymore. So that's why I went with this Banks anti-reflective screen protector for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. It protects the display while still maintaining its anti-glare properties so that your display still looks good outdoors or in harsh lighting environments. It basically protects the screen and retains the anti-reflective properties of the display. Next up is a protective case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I think you should get it right away. The 17 Pro Max is an expensive device and repairing it is even more expensive, so naturally it should be protected. I personally use this Banks Prestige Armor Pro case. It's a MagSafe compatible premium case that's made from DuPont Kevlar fiber. It's the same material that's used to make bulletproof vests. Well, obviously it can't stop bullets, but it is highly scratch resistant. It also has a functioning camera control button, and the protruded metal frame around the camera plateau protects the lenses from any drops or scratches. It protects the phone without making it extra bulky, and since it's a MagSafe compatible case, you can attach other MagSafe accessories to it, like this MagSafe power bank. I personally use this 10,000 mAh power bank that I got from Amazon. It supports MagSafe wireless charging at up to 15 watts. And I shoot a lot of videos outside, and using the camera drains the battery like nothing else. So this power bank comes very handy. This power bank has been a lifesaver for me, and I use it very frequently to charge my phone on the go. If you also tend to do things on the fly, or if you're looking for a portable charging solution with minimal intrusion, then you can definitely consider a wireless power bank like this one. Another useful MagSafe accessory is this MagSafe Wallet. I recently started carrying this MagSafe Wallet instead of my usual one, and it's good. It can hold up to 3 cards and they don't fall off. Even if I shake it or rigorously try to make them fall out, they won't. To take them out, you have to remove it and push the cards outside from the inside, so they are extra secure. And the wallet also opens up like this, so you can use it as a phone stand. I don't always carry it since it can't hold IDs or cash, but I've been carrying it instead of my usual wallet way more frequently. There are many MagSafe wallets available on the internet. The one I'm using is the Banks Armor Go. You can find link for all these accessories in the description below. Next up is hands down the most used MagSafe accessory I own. It's the MagSafe phone grip. It latches onto the phone securely, and it has a magnetic pop socket that holds the phone in place. It literally makes it drop proof. Even if I shake it vigorously, it stays in place, and it's 360-degree rotatable, and it comes with a rotatable phone stand. And truth be told, I've dropped my phones countless times, but ever since I started using this phone grip, I haven't dropped my phone, touch wood. If you use a big phone like the iPhone 17 Pro Max, then you should definitely invest in a good phone grip. And since it doesn't come with a phone, the charging adapter is a must-have accessory. I'm using this dual USB-C 35-watt adapter from Apple. 20-watt charging is too slow, and 40 watts or higher can charge the device faster, but it can also degrade the battery. So 35-watt is a sweet spot for me. It balances both the charging speed and the battery protection. And this dual Type-C power adapter also lets me charge my MacBook or other wireless devices that come with a Type-C cable. So that's an added plus point. Another accessory I use is this Type-C flash drive. It does look small, but it makes a huge difference when using the phone. It may be a tiny device, but it has a huge upside. As I shared earlier, I shoot a lot of videos outside, and constantly I'm running out of space. So this Type-C flash drive allows me to quickly transfer my files from my phone to the drive, which clears up some storage space. And if I want to shoot ProRes videos in my iPhone, it needs an external connected device. Now I can also use an external SSD, but this is definitely more portable and easy to shoot with, so I prefer this. Now I use this flash drive with this U-shaped USB-C connector. It allows the flash drive to sit linearly at the back of the phone without taking up any extra space. It is really convenient to carry. Another MagSafe accessory that I use almost every day with my 17 Pro Max are the AirPods. I'm using the AirPods Gen 4. The seamless connectivity with the iPhone is still unmatched. You open the case and they instantly connect. I personally use them for editing, gaming, watching videos, and obviously for calling. And the mic quality is also good. I can easily use it as a primary microphone for recording my voice. The voice sample that you're hearing right now is being directly recorded from these AirPods. Apple even gives you a built-in feature to record the sound from these AirPods when you're capturing videos with your iPhone. It's a great feature that works flawlessly as these AirPods easily cut out ambient noise. The sound quality is quite comparable to dedicated microphones as it cuts out most ambient noise, which also makes it great for vloggers. The ANC, transparency mode, and conversational awareness works just fine, and the battery life is also solid. And if you go for the AirPods Pro, then you get extra features like precision finding and hearing aid, which are amazing features. So, if you're already in the Apple ecosystem, then the AirPods are the best audio accessories that you can pair with your iPhone. And of course, the Apple Watch. Well, it's a separate device really, but since it makes the iPhone experience so good, I'm including it in the list. It's genuinely the most useful accessory for me, mainly because it adds a layer of convenience throughout the day. Whether it's checking the notifications, controlling the music playback, monitoring my workouts, or even recording my sleep, the Apple Watch does it all. I personally use it to keep my calls and messages in check without constantly picking up the phone. The fitness tracking is very accurate and the display is bright enough to use outdoors without any visibility issues. If you're an iPhone user, the Apple Watch is the one accessory that genuinely improves your user experience. This 3-in-1 wireless charging hub is probably the most underrated accessory that you can buy. It keeps my entire desk clean because there are zero wires running around. You get a 22.5 watt MagSafe charger on the front for the iPhone, you get a charger for your Apple Watch on the top, and you get an additional wireless charger on the bottom for another iPhone or for your AirPods. If you're someone like me who hates cable clutter and wants something that can charge all your devices at once without extra cables, then this accessory is a must-have. And this one is like a bonus accessory, but if you already have the Apple Watch, then you can also consider getting this wireless charging puck. It allows you to conveniently charge your Apple Watch wirelessly without needing the charging cable. You can easily attach this to your iPhone via the Type-C port or any other Type-C adapter, and you can place the watch over it like this and it'll start charging. It's way more convenient to carry than the charging wire. So these were all the accessories that I personally used with my iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you also want cleaner charging, better storage solutions, and just a cleaner setup overall, then you'll find the link for all these items in the description below. And if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.